Hey guys, this is Developer Dude, and today in this video we are going to create an Italian restaurant website using HTML and CSS. If you are a beginner, then this video is for you, and if you are an advanced, then this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's start this video. In the previous video we made this section 3 and section 4. Now in this video we are going to make section 5. So this is the section 5, which looks same as the section 2. You can see just picture is flipped, picture is here and the content is here. In this section 5 you can see it is same as the section 2. So let's make the structure for the section 5. So how to do this? Just create a div sec5. Okay, in this sec5 create a div poster, because we have in this div first image, so poster, and create a div inside this poster, add a h1 element, save it, or after the poster div create a content div, and in this div create a h5 element, so here to create a button use anchor tag, give it that link, and in this create a li element, and right here discover more offers, give it class orange button, save it. Let's see. So this is how our section 5 looks. So it looks same as the section 2, so that is why we will also give this section 5 this section 2 class, so that we can use the CSS property same that we use section 2, so same that properties we can use in this section 5. So let me show you. Look how it got changed. Like we use only section 2 class here, and you can design of this section 5 how it is looking now. If I remove the class, save it, you can see this one. Now let's add the section 2. You can see now we just have to change some items. Okay, so we don't need to target all these items because we have already targeted it in section 2. Let's go on to the CSS file. So here let's target section 5, right here section 5, and give it padding. Now let's target section 5, section 2. So we are targeting the div which has section 5 and section 2 both classes. That is why we are not giving space in this. So now we are targeting content. Sorry, first we have to target the poster. Set height first 430 pixel, and width 50%, and also change the border radius 5 pixel. Let me show you how it is looking. You can see. Now change the image, background image. So now we are changing the background image with the linear gradient. You know that black effect. Now give the URL, location of the image, save it. Here you can see. Now right here, background size, make the size of the background cover, and after that give the box shadow. To create shadow of the div, 0, 30 pixel, RGB 196 and again 196. Save it. Here you can see. Now we have to change the text size. So let's target the text, sec5 and sec2 div dot content, margin left 50 pixel, minimum width 45%, height need to be 400 pixel, display flex, flex direction, column, and justify content. You can see. Now we are targeting the button here. Width, set it to fit content. Let me show you how the button looks. Save it. Now see it. Now let's target the sec5 sec2 dot poster div h1. So we are targeting the h1. Font size 25 pixel and margin bottom 0. Save it. So we have changed the size of the text. So here we are done with our section 5.2. Okay, so this is our section 5, this is our section 5. Okay, now let's create this footer. To create the footer, first we have to create the structure of this footer in our HTML file. So just come back here and wrap this section 5. After this section 5, wrap this home page, and after the home page create a footer element, give it h1 element, right here call for all your reservations. After the h1 create another h1, right here plus 123. This is for the phone number 456. Here you can add the phone number 1010. Okay, use the paragraph, right here copyright and copy this. This is for the copyright sign 2024 developer dude. So here is the HTML structure of our footer. Let's style it. We just have to write footer, and here background, give linear gradient for the black color, RGBA 000 and 0.7, again RGBA 0.7, and after the linear gradient use URL to add the image. Give the location of the image and write here footer.jpg. So here you can see image is added. Now what we have to do, change the size of the footer. So first change the color of the text, color white, text align, make it in center, give it padding, top 7%, right 0, 3% from the bottom and 0, margin top 5%, save it. So here you can see. Now let's target footer h1 element, font family, set it to heading, and font size 45 pixel, font weight 500, margin bottom 50 pixel, save it. Here you can see. Now let's target the paragraph. Just say font size 15 pixel, save it. So here we are done with our home page. We created section 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, and we are done with our footer. So we have completed our home page, and in the next video we will make it responsive for tablet screen size. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any update.